Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that concerns many of us, belly fat. I'll uncover the two critical mistakes people often make when trying to get rid of it. But first, let's understand what belly fat really is. You want to stay until the end to find out how to get rid of it. Belly fat, scientifically known as visceral fat, hides deep within our abdomen, surrounding vital organs. This type of fat isn't just about appearances. It poses serious health risks, including diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Let's move on to the first mistake, not understanding the root cause. The main culprit behind excess body fat is chronic high insulin levels. Insulin, a hormone, signals our bodies to store fat when it's elevated for extended periods. Stress, both emotional and physical, significantly increases insulin levels. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, the bell to be notified every time I post a new video about nutrition, health, and weight loss. I've been working with clients over 2 decades to help them lose their unwanted belly fat. Some in menopause and many with chronic health conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Whether it's worrying about work or pushing yourself too hard in the gym, stress spikes insulin. And yes, intense workouts like the ones you often see in bodybuilding can increase insulin too. Those workouts done in bodybuilding work because they are using cortisol or insulin lowering supplements. Excessive running can increase insulin levels, which actually can increase belly fat, especially in our 40s and thereafter. Is this resonating with you? If so, hit that like button right now. What have you tried to lose belly fat up until now? Comment down below. I would love to know. But don't worry, the key is understanding your goal. If you aim to lose belly fat, focus on reducing stress on your mind and body. Opt for 30 to 45 minutes of weight training with proper nutrition beforehand. You want to avoid excessive cardio, especially as we age. Instead, try consistent walking. It's really important to understand the compounding effect of walking and insulin. Walking consistently lowers insulin resistance, or short bursts of intense cardio like HIIT or Tabata for no more than 15 minutes, always with adequate nutrition. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Consuming the right foods before your workout is crucial. Protein lowers insulin response, and carbohydrates help keep cortisol, the stress hormone, in check. For example, a combination of eggs and oatmeal or a high-quality protein shake with banana or oats can work wonders. And speaking of high-quality protein shakes, I've left a link in the description below if you need a suggestion. Remember, you can't spot reduce belly fat alone. It requires proper nutrition and the right type of activity. The second critical mistake people make when it comes to battling belly fat boils down to what you eat, or more specifically, what you don't eat. Let's talk about the importance of consuming the right type and amounts of macronutrients. Your body relies on 3 main macronutrients: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Each plays a vital role, but today, let's focus on protein. Protein isn't just for muscle building. It's essential for hormone regulation. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, all of which significantly influence belly fat, are predominantly made up of protein. An easy way to get the right amount of protein is to track what foods you consume. Each food source with carbohydrate and fat can have protein, such as an avocado. You can use a food tracking app, MyFitnessPal, to track your protein. It's easy. You can use the scan bar or search that food item. I've got a link for you down in the description if you want to use for tracking your protein. If you're not getting enough protein, your body's hormonal balance can go haywire, making it harder to shed that belly fat. But it's not just about protein. It's all about what you eat that actually matters. Ensure you're consuming an adequate amount of protein from sources like chicken, fish, tofu, or beans. These foods not only provide protein, but also essential nutrients your body needs to keep insulin levels low. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: junk food. Regardless of their calorie count, these foods wreak havoc on your body. Low-calorie junk foods can be attractive for weight loss. It's important to understand that junk foods are hormone disruptors. They lead to inflammation and stress the adrenal glands, making it even more challenging to manage belly fat. This issue becomes especially critical as we age, particularly in our 40s and beyond, nearing or experiencing menopause. During this time, our estrogen levels drop. Estrogen is the hormone that directs our body on where to store fat. So when it's imbalanced due to poor nutrition, it can lead to excess belly fat. So the takeaway here is simple. Prioritize the right macronutrients, especially protein, and steer clear of hormone-disrupting junk foods. Your body deserves the best fuel to function optimally and to move your body on a consistent basis to lower insulin resistance. If you're struggling to break through that weight plateau or lose weight, I'd love to help. You can find my calendar down in the description to book a call with me. And be sure to check out this video next on the role in long-term weight loss. You can find the link in the description below.